Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we have another beautiful exercise where we need to use this preposition in these blanks here. Alright, but before we answer, we need to remember something. Okay, so you have to remember that here are bigger than seasons. Seasons are bigger than months. Months are bigger than days. And days are bigger than hours. You have to remember this. Now, here's the rule with year, season, month. We use in. With days, we use on. With days, we use on. And we use at with hours. All right. So let's do this exercise. First one. Blank Friday. Friday is a day. So for days we use on. So on Friday. On Friday. Second, blank summer. Summer is a season, so we use in here. In summer. Blank 6 p.m. 6 p.m. is an hour, so we use at here. At 6 p.m. Blank July. July is a month, so we use here in July. Blank 2024. Year, so we use in here. In 2024. Blank 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is an hour, so we use here at. Blank May 10, 2024. Now this is a bit tricky question because May is a month. Tenth here means the day, and 2024 means year. With a month we use in, with day we use on, and with year we use in. So what should we use here? Well, you answer this one and write down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video. Please support my channel, and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Please hit the